Okay, today I want to show you how to make citation lists within Follett Destiny. Here you see I'm just at the home page, and I'm going to show you how to do this as if I'm looking for books about the state of Florida. So here in my search bar, I'm going to type in the word Florida. So now I'm doing some research about Florida, and that's why I need this citation list, because I've been using all these books in my research, and I've been either, if you're writing a paper or if you're doing a project, you want to cite your sources at the end. So here I just did a quick keyword search for Florida. So I'm going to look through these, and as I'm choosing them, I want to choose ones that I think will be useful, and I'm going to click over here. So I see this one here called Florida, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click on Add to this list. Now notice at the top here that I am not logged in. Okay, I didn't log in as myself into Destiny. So adding to the list, you're only going to be able to add to one list, and that list is going to change every time you refresh or close this page and then open it back up. If you were to log in, you could create multiple lists, and then this here, the add to list, would become a drop-down menu, and you could add it to different lists. So I can see this one is added. It's in this list. Okay. I'm also going to use this one about the Everglades. Okay, and I'm also going to use this one here about the South. And this has obviously information on multiple states, but Florida is one of them. So I'm going to go ahead and add that one. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to go back and actually do a new search here by clicking on Library Search. And I'm going to search United States. And then I'm going to click here on Title, because I know that there is a book that has all the states in it. Here we go, the Scholastic Atlas of the United States. And I know then that that one will have information about Florida. So I'm going to click here, add to this list. And here's a couple more. I'm going to add one of these also. Let's do this one, the state by state guide. Okay, so now I've got my books in my list. And now to see my list, what I'm going to do is go over here. So over here on the left, you have Library Search, Destiny Quest, and Resource Lists. I'm going to click here on my lists, Resource Lists. Now here's my list. Again, if you were logged in, you would have multiple lists here, or you would have the option to create different lists here. You can also see public lists over here, but you want to make sure that you're on my lists. So here's mine. I'm going to view it. And here are the 5 books that are inside of this list about the state of Florida. Okay? To create the citation list, it's very simple. There's a button here. If you want the citation list or if you want the bibliography, you just pick which one, and I'll show you the difference here in a second. The citation list, I'm going to click go, and here it is. Here's all 5 of my books in the correct format. And all I would have to do then is print this out, or if I was putting it inside of my paper or inside of my project, I would just copy and paste it into there. Okay, I'm going to exit this one. Now, if I wanted to create a bibliography has a little bit more detail than the citation list. So I want to sort them, if I wanted to sort them by call number, and then author, or author and then title, or title and then author, I'm just going to leave it set by call number. And what this is going to do, if I click go here, this will give me the call number here. It will give me the correct citation, which is here on the top. And then it also gives me right here, it gives me the description of the book. So I can actually see the short statement about the book that's from the catalog. Okay, so I'm going to exit this one. So that is truly as easy as it is to create that resource list. Again, you can do this on any topic, whatever it is that you are using for your research. Now you want to make sure that, let's say I picked out all 4 of these or all 5 of these books and I saved them into a list and I logged in as me and then saved them into a list, and now let's say that I didn't end up using this book here about the Everglades. I didn't put any information from that book into my project or into my paper. So then what you would do, you don't need to leave it in there because your citation list should be an exact representation of what books you have used. Okay, so then to remove it, I would just click over here on remove, and there we go. Now I would be ready to create my citation list. Just click there, click go. I can either print this out or just highlight it and then copy and paste it to where I need it to be. That is pretty simple, and this is a great easy feature in Destiny Quest that a lot of people just don't know about. Enjoy!